हार्दिक स्वागत अभिनंदन। आज का दूसरा सेमीफाइनल मैच माइटी मैवरिक्स बनाम सुपरसोनिक।
We all set for semi-final 2 in CL T10. It's going to be the Mighty Mavericks taking on the Supersonic. Chetan will hand over the coin to Dwayne, and Dwayne will do the honors.
Heads.
Heads is the call. Heads it is. Heads it is. TM Dilshan has done that. TM, what are you going to do and the reasons behind it?
We are going to bowl first. I think we know this semi-final. Always we have one of the bowling best attack, and batting is really kick. I think they have they are not that strong bowling unit. Then we can chase whatever they get. They had to put them in the board. We can chase easily.
आज शानदार जोरदार प्रदर्शन करना पड़ेगा तभी फाइनल का टिकट मिलेगा। टीमें आमने सामने, एक तरफ दिलशान, दूसरी तरफ ड्वाइन स्मिथ, वेस्ट इंडीज के सुपरस्टार्स। कमेंट्री बॉक्स में मैं हूं मनोज दत्त और मेरे साथ हैं अतुल वासन। खेल की शुरुआत, दूसरा सेमीफाइनल मैच। वाइट बॉल, एक रन।
And then there is a discussion. That is the beauty of cricket, because they will tell me here I was wrong. वहाँ पे सुबह 4 बजे छोले भटूरे खाते थे, बड़ा पेट खराब हुआ। डिबेट हो रही है, 6 दे दिया है एम्पायर ने। अब ये एक पॉइंट है, बड़ा कंटेंशियस पॉइंट है कि जो रुतबा था वो अब नहीं रहा। एक और 6 शॉट है, जॉर्कर के चक्कर में बुलडोज डाल दिए।
गीला बॉल हवा में, स्पिनर मौजूद थे लेकिन दर्शक बनकर रह जाएंगे।
The big stars. So we hope that this format also takes grip.
हरीश स्ट्राइक पर है, पैड लाइन पर बॉल, बढ़िया शॉट, दूसरा बाउंड्री 6, लगातार 2 जोरदार शॉट।
Goes for another one. That's the third 6 of the over. Well, Harish is striking sixes.
सीधे मैच से खेला, जोरदार शॉट, 6 रन मिलेंगे।
Flat 6 there to start the over. As you mentioned, the over starter, and it's a biggie.
चेंज ऑफ पेस जरूर किया था, 2 गेंदों के ऊपर 2 जोरदार शॉट, 6 रन।
Has he got the edge? Yes, the catch is taken. A thick outside edge, and Dilshan making no mistakes. And finally a wicket in the over for Raghavan. Started off a little expensive, but ends the over with a big one. And a partnership of 60 comes to an end.
4 ओवर्स में 60 रन, 15 रन प्रति ओवर की 10 रन औसत बनाने में सफल रहे थे दोनों ही ओपनर्स। ये पिछला विकेट, जोरदार शॉट खेलने की कोशिश की, बॉल बैट के बाहर हिस्से से लगी और दिलशान विकेट के पीछे चुस्त मुस्तैद एक सिपाही की तरह, जिन्होंने कोई गलती नहीं की।
Balls, picking the ball, swing some bats, and we have a proud supporter, Sahil Malhotra. Sahil, what do you have to say? How's the team performing? The field, the enthusiasm is equally good off the field, right?
It is. I think.
Pulled away. Has he got the height? Yes, he does. And also the distance. And a good crowd catch as well. Goes again. This time it's going to hit the roof. And will sail away. Back-to-back sixes. Ramiz is on a show.
गैप ढूंढने में सफल रहे, 4 रन मिलेंगे। इसी के साथ एक और बढ़िया शॉट।
Yorker, full toss, and over long on. That was a massive hit by Ramiz. Shot. Oh, Ramiz is on fire. Low full toss, and that smashed home in wicket. Shot. Oh, Ramiz, that's a pickup shot over square leg. In the league, that's another full toss. This is a carnage by the Supersonics. Outside edge, and TM Dilshan takes it. And Ramiz on the verge of going for his 2nd century. He's gone for his 6th.
रन आ रहे थे और इस बार जगह नहीं मिली। जोर से मारने की कोशिश जो हम कर रहे थे कि जोर से मारेंगे तो मुश्किलें बढ़ती हैं, पर इस गेंदबाज ने सफलता दिलाई है।
Yeah, absolutely. That's a shot and a half.
इस बार फिर स्वीप खेला है और बैट के बीचों बीच एक और छक्का लग दिया यहाँ पे।
Nicely played. Nicely played. At the moment, Usman only targeting the mid-wicket square leg area. Another slow delivery. Cut shot over cow point. That was a meat and a drink. Easily played.
इस बार फिर वेट किया, आसानी के साथ वो जगह बनाई और एक और छक्का जड़ दिया है।
Continues with the slog sweep. This occasion is a juicy full toss. Being put away pretty easily. Shot. Oh, mid-wicket. And brings up another maximum.
और इस बार शॉट खेला जरूर था, कोशिश थी पर चलता किया है यहाँ पे सफलता।
Third catch for TM Dilshan.
और इस बार अच्छा शॉट, लॉन्ग ऑफ के ऊपर से छक्का जड़ दिया यहाँ पे।
And he brings up his half century with a boundary. On the ground and take above Usman, 51 in just the 14 deliveries. It is certainly Usman. He finishes with a bang. Over Skralik. A lovely hit. You just have to get the Yorker wrong as a bowler. When you're bowling against a player like Usman, you pay the price.
First ball. And is that a wide? It is. Well, there's a lot of pace. By the way, we talk about the tennis ball specialist.
Life is good.
Up, and away! Dilshan hits a big six. Low full toss once again.
Oh, lucky. Came through those legs. 6.
Good go to hand. Oh, wow. Terrific fielding by Usman. And, oh, yes, he is short. Dilshan, heartbreak. We'll come back to the umpires and their status. But Dilshan will have to walk back.
Oh, straight to field. Nothing seems to be working. कुछ नहीं चल रहा भाई. दिन नहीं आज.
As they lose their second wicket. Nice delivery from wide off the crease. Arching in. And a nice leaping catch by Meena. Well done. Just about a yard or so inside.
You lifting the trophy today?
I think definitely yes.
Yes?
Yes, it's
Well,
a yes.
Yes, it's a
Huh?
yes.
How
from
would
the
you think
commentary.
about it?
Well, I completely agree. Let's see what happens in store. This is all the action on the field. Let's go back to the comms now.
Up, and away. Big six.
Better sense prevails, and then you start playing that way because you've already got that factor in mind.
Well, even in...
I haven't seen any dive in 3 days. I've seen stumbles. That's what
you need to watch a little more in 80 today. Or just say bola वैसे another wicket. Ramiz coming from round the wicket. 49 is far too little. 140 still need to be scored in only 6. Just a thin tickle. Easy for the keeper. Oh, that could be out. Who's going to take the catch? And Usman takes it running in from long off.
They're trying hard, but that is not enough because the target is really too high. And between there's another 6.
और एक और सफलता मिलती हुई वहां पर और 186 और एक और विकेट गिरता हुआ एलबीडब्ल्यू
116 runs from here. It's not going to be easy at all. Oh my goodness, beautiful shot over the wicket. Mighty Mavericks, they need 6s like this only. This is number 3rd in this over.
अच्छी गेंद वहां पर बारे किनारा ले गई थी वो और अच्छा कैच पकड़ा वहां पर विकेट कीपर ने.
In the meanwhile, Chintan opened his account with a 6. Oh, what a beautiful delivery that was. Right on the stump into the block hole.
और ये नवा झटका लगता हुआ.
Here comes a beautiful shot from Kesav over mid wicket for 6.
और एक छक्का और आता हुआ. क्या बात है. और इस देखिए जीत का जश्न मनाने के लिए टीम के ओनर्स, टीम के सपोर्टर्स बीच मैदान पर आ गए हैं.